Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, welcome back to the den. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave, and as you've seen by the thumbnail, we're going old school today. Hey, so I'll have a rundown of the stuff that we're using. Okay, the brush, PAA, starcrafter. Let's get it the right way up. Phoenix shaving, starcrafter. Nice brush. I love the retro look of that brush. I'm going to get that in there in the official John Shears Super Soaker. I apologise for the light. It's late on in the evening. I'll explain why it's so late. Okay, the razor we're going to be using gifted me from Mark Davies. The Gillette Slim. Is it called a Slim Twist? This, I'm sure I forgot. Long day. And then the razor we're going to be putting on that, given to me by Franz from over there in the Netherlands. How are you doing, Franz? He's gifted me these Gillette Platinum blades. So we will get those in that razor. Can you see it there? It is laser etched on. It just says Gillette. And we'll put that in there. And we'll put that in there. You'll have to forgive me, guys. I've got the mother of all headaches. Okay, and the balm we're going to be using is Aqua Velva 5-in-1 and Williams Aqua Velva Splash. That is the American Aqua Velva. It's not the one in the thumbnail. The one in the thumbnail is my last bottle. I should have got some more when I went to New York, but I didn't. But what I do is I decant it into glass because that's plastic. When this is gone, I will decant that one into here and sling the plastic bottle. I got this in Spain. Interestingly enough, it says there on the back, made in the world. And at the time I bought this from Spain, my delivery run, I used to deliver drugs to pharmacies, and it was the world. And I'm driving around the world, went all the way to Spain and bought that and brought it back. And was wearing it when I went back to work round the world. Hey, go figure. That's that. Okay, somebody messaging me. Sorry, I forgot. I normally switch notifications off my phone, but I haven't done. So, what are we using today? Ta-da! Which one? That one. I bought that one. I bought that one recent. That's a recent modern one. This one I bought off eBay, and it was a deal. Somebody was selling it for something like £3, and it's old, it's retro, it's small, it's 42 grams, so it can't be that old. I think it says made in Canada. Well, some have used that one, but we haven't used this one, so I think this is the one. We're going to get it out and we're going to use it. Look, let's have a look. Can you see? I don't think it's been used. It was a woman that was selling it. It just says Williams shaving soap. I'll try and get it close enough. I don't know, I can't see. The light's not great in here, guys. I'm doing this on my phone. That's what we're doing. Okay, we'll wet the face, we'll crack on. Do you remember a couple of weeks ago, guys, I fell at work. I went in, I slipped on some water and I fell again, but not in work, on a delivery. And it was a bad one. Okay, so let's see, and I do. From the back side. There isn't really any strength in this, guys. There isn't really any strength in it at all. So we'll see. I don't know how long it says dry. It's as dry as a bone, so let's just see. Let's just see where life takes us. There you go. And what we'll do now is we'll just see, that's actually completely bone dry now. I think put that straight back in the puck. There you go. And that's it, look, hey? And we'll get our thing out. Yeah. Oh, guys, I parked up next to a slab of concrete, smooth, flat concrete. It's been sat there for years, and it's been raining. It was covered in green algae, and it was slippier than ice. And I got out of my van, guys. It sounds comical, not comical. I got out of my van like that, and it just went boom. down and I cracked the back of my head on the van. I banged my kidneys. I've been urinating blood. I banged my... See, that doesn't do it justice. I know you're all thinking, oh John, you've been slapped off a ferry. It's more painful than it looks, and I've got a bigger one on my back, on the top of my leg, and my right clavicle. I don't know how I did it, my right clavicle, but anyway. Well, the biggest thing I did when I fell back into my van, I cracked my shoulder here, and that muscle that goes right up there, right, the whole muscle there is so out, it's giving me a headache. But anyway, enough. I'm alright. We're here. Let's have a look. See how we do. But that's enough. So that's where we're at. So I'm shaving a little bit later than normal. I wasn't going to go and work today because of that. And because work's been quiet. I thought when I got up this morning, I was sat there at 5 o'clock in the morning with a cup of tea. And I thought, well, it's been quiet in work, so I won't go in. Sorry, it's been quiet in work, so I won't not go in. Because it's quiet, I'll go in. Nice, easy day. Take it nice, well, you know what's coming, don't you? That's actually quite slick, that, guys, it really is. And if anybody bangs on about problems lathering, I didn't really go to town on that. I could have done. You know what I'm like, I don't, I just want to... There you go. Oh, I went in today, guys, I was flipping slammed. So I came home, as I did yesterday. I had slept yesterday. I came home yesterday and went to bed and slept pretty much 15 hours. But when I came home, I went to the toilet, I was urinating blood. Now apparently, I looked on the NHS website, and from a fall or a strain or something, that's not that uncommon. And I went big time. Yeah. So I'm okay now, you know, not it was just that one, when I came on that one time I went, it was bloody, but now it's been fine. I'm drinking lots of water, and I've weed about 14 times since I've all been absolutely clear. But I think I may have banged my kidneys are sore. So I'm just keeping an eye on it. I went in work today. I'm okay. I can't believe I'm saying this. Are you ready? I'm at that age. Oh my woman. It just... Do you not see this? See this one? I'd have done a 14-hour day when I was 27. I would have done a 14-hour day delivering beer with this. Done this at work, fell down the stairs, not batted an eyelid, come home and went to the gym. See, now it was all I could do when I got up off the floor. It was all I could do to make it back to my van. Oh, yeah. So that's it. Anyway, that's enough. Let me know what you think of Williams. For all the products. I know, like I say, a lot of people complain about the lather. This is very, very slick. I could go on. I could have gone on and on and on and just kept creating lather. This razor's really good. This isn't the shave I had planned. Postman never came. Like, at all. And you should have done. I bought something and I paid extra for 48-hour delivery on Saturday. I bought it, so 48 hours from Saturday. Well, you think, well, the next working day, well, it's not going to come Monday, is it? So it should come Tuesday, to my way of thinking. No. So, it'll come tomorrow. And I may use it in the Saturday shave. I may not. I've got an idea for the Saturday shave. Well, but look, there you go, yeah. So. Well, that's very slick, that, guys. I mean, that's very, very slick indeed. Yeah. And you seen it was just that. It was just that one, that puck rub on my face, which is, if you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you will know that whenever I use a puck, that's how I do it, regardless of what it is. That's just how I do them. It's very rare. I've seen other wet shavers put it in a cup or put it in a mug, you know, like you're supposed to, and lather it. So I've never. I don't think I've ever done that with a puck. This method serves me well. It keeps it, you wet your face, dry puck, you get plenty on. As you've seen yourself, the puck was dry enough to go straight back in the box, you know. There was a lot of people a while ago saying that you couldn't lather up with Williams. Now I used that, I did the exact same thing with that, and a lovely lather, and then you've just watched me do it with this one, got a lovely lather. So, no issues. And whoa, that, I don't think you'll see it in this light in my bathroom. Is my skin shining? There is so much slickness in that, guys. Here we go. And look at this. We'll do our lather mittens. Look at this. Just to highlight, look. Absolutely wonderful. It's the usual suspects. And yeah, very, very slick indeed. So, let me know what your shave of the day is. Let me know if you've used this Williams, how you went on with it. If anyone wants to swap the puck I used today for a Blackland Osprey, PM me, yeah? As one of my subscribers very kindly said, John, you're such a chancer. I am, oh my word. But anyway, so I came in, my wife and daughter have gone out. I don't know, they've gone somewhere to pick something up in town. They do love walking around the shops for 3 hours looking at everything twice, sometimes 3 times. It's not for me. But anyway, oh yeah. So I came in, I did the thumbnail. I don't even feel like eating, I feel a bit sick, I need to eat. But yeah. I'm okay, I've got a slight headache, I can't find any paracetamols. I think I may have used them all up, but we're going to grab a cup of tea. And come on. Look at that, guys. Need a haircut. We did okay, didn't we? Look at that. That razor and that blade combination was pretty good. They've got that real, fresh, waxy feeling. Come on, let's get the Aqua Velva. Oh, lordy, lordy. That came out a bit much. You ready? Oh. Oh, guys, do you know what? If you're thinking about decanting from plastic into glass, do it. It doesn't improve the scent strength, I would say. Basically, it's just fresher. Do you know, like you get fresh bread and you get day old bread and you sniff them and they both smell the same, but one's got that fresh bread taste. Do you know what I mean? It's the best way I can describe it is it freshens it. It just freshens it up. It's wonderful. Absolutely. I've done it with several soaps. and I bought a tiny teeny little phone. I've got a video on my YouTube channel actually, if you know, about how I did it, just to show people that I did it. I know I think somebody in their video was less than kind towards me, showing us how to port it. But you know, just a little bit of extra content, just a bit of a laugh. Nothing. Oh, give me a moment. I'm putting some more of that on. Give me a, guys, look at this. Oh, Lord, Johnny's favourite balm. Let's get this. Oh, do you know? Aqua Velvet, what on earth were you doing? I mean, it was never marketed that I saw. They did it, everybody wanted it, and then they stopped doing it. My word. Some executive in an office somewhere, he'd like to, you know, like, Mr. Goldfarb, John Shave's here to see you. Oh, send them right on in. Hi, John, are you the guy that cancelled the back? Sure I am. Just wanted to give you that. Could you imagine? Hey, no matter what you face in life, don't lose your sense of humour. I'm going, guys. I'm going. I'm sorry I've not been as I don't know what word, compos mentis with it. I'm going getting a rest and a cup of tea. Hopefully I'll be better for Saturday. Look after yourselves and look after each other. And I say it all the time, but I really do mean it. Cold, dark nights. It's dark out there now. It's dark and it's cold. But we're not. Your heart can be a beacon of warmth and light in a cold, dark world. So get your torch out and let it shine, guys. And I will see you on Saturday for the Saturday shave. The postman, see if he comes tomorrow and he puts a letter and he's not got this. I'm just going to lock the door and do that to him. Mr. Goldfarb, there you go. Look after yourselves. I'm going. Bye.